Started recording. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today is Salesforce demo session. So what we are doing in the session is, first we are understanding syllabus. We are understanding our roadmap. So main topics are 16 in Salesforce. We are trying to recollect and remember those 16 topics. Then we are going to understand what is meaning of it, what we are going to do in this topic. In the next step, why we are using this and how we are using this. If you know answer for these three, you can easily crack interview and you can easily do anything. You can easily work. If you don't know what it is, how it is, why it is, only three questions in life for everyone. Why we are here? Why we are here in class? What is meaning of Salesforce? Why we are learning? How you will get job? So if you know these questions, you means confidently we have to tell answer to these questions. What is Salesforce? You don't know, you are coming to classes. Many people doesn't know. Many people what is Salesforce doesn't know. If suddenly we ask me what is Salesforce, they are blank too. 10 years experience also. People are like that only. Why we are eating? Some people will feel I am hungry, that's why I am eating. The core concept is to get energy, not to because we are hungry we are eating. Really, this is difficult in life. Without knowing anything we are doing. Eating, we know. Why we are eating, we don't know. What happens after eating, we don't know. If you have that much realization, it is easy life. These three questions should be answered. So here, any new people? Any new people? First time online people? Okay. So first topic is Salesforce product in IT companies. Second one is Salesforce introduction. Third one? Salesforce Basics. Fourth one? Fifth one? Swami, where is your concentration? Sixth one, what is sixth one? Not in book. Sixth one. Swami will tell. Sixth one. Till now you saw book. Okay, what is sixth one, Monica? Data modeling. Next, online people. Rashi, what is seventh one? Rashi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Data security.
Data security. Everybody, if you are not remembering, Swami, concentrate here. What is her name? Why? 3 days you didn't come. That's why you don't know. You have to come regularly. Eighth one, online people.
Email templating.
UI.
Email templating, sir.
Configuration or customization. So 50% correct. Ninth one, Lalita. What is ninth one? Online Lalita. Lalita, what is ninth topic? Online people, God is watching you. Without seeing, you have to tell. Everybody believes God, right? If you say, I don't believe, I cannot do anything. Nobody is watching. So what is ninth topic?
Reports and dashboard.
Reports and dashboards. Ninth one. Email templates. I remember 11th one. Reports and dashboards. I don't know. 10th one. Huh? Queues. Why?
Zoom is not responding.
No, for you it is coming. Online people are there. No, tell them to
No, yes, I
tell them
sent-
to rail again.
Again, I sent to them, but they are saying.
309. I don't know. Same link, right? Invite. Copy invite link. Just a minute. I am just doing some testing. So 11th topic. Reports and dashboards. 12th topic. Automation. 13th topic. Lightning flows. 14th. 15th. 16th. Data management. So online people, everyone knows this clearly. Everybody remember this. If you don't remember this like this, you cannot go in proper strategy. Without knowing address, you cannot go to movie. Google Map is there, but in interview they won't put like this. They will ask directly what is data security. In that they will ask one scenario. Even if you search in Google as well, you will not get that scenario. If you study well here, you can do that scenario. So in this, again, we have subparts. Okay. How these subparts are there? See this. In Salesforce project in IT company, we are going to cover 3. 3 we are going to cover. Okay. So I will show here, not everything now. How again, forgot to. Shivendu sir and madam will explain again. So until you get this complete syllabus on your brain, subject won't be started. This is very, very important. By that time, we will create LinkedIn account, Naukri account, all those things we will do. Okay. So in this first topic, project activities we will cover. In the project activities, how we are getting project from a client, how IT company is getting that project, and how you are going to work on that project. There will be different teams in the project, and there are different meetings in the project. You have to understand, you will understand this in day 1 only. So once you understand that, you will assume what you are going to do in the company. Online people getting directly, I will tell entire Salesforce. After completing, I will tell this, how it will be. Climax is first and cinema is next. Titles we will see or not movie. If you don't see titles, what we will feel? No, something I have missed. It is also like that only. Producer name, heroine father name, her girlfriend's name, boyfriend, sorry. All we will revise. It is also like that only. Titles, it is very important. When we say movie name, what you will ask? Who is hero? Your question. Who is heroine? You will go to Google and search her name. You will do this or not? Yeah, you will. I know you will do. Okay, everybody will do. I will also do, but I will not tell. This is common activity. So it is very important to understand syllabus. So last time we have not focused like this on syllabus. So when you know syllabus, you will easily understand whether you know that or not. So this is like level 1. We are understanding the syllabus. In the level 2, we are understanding what it is, why it is. In level 3, how it is we are understanding. So it will be very simple and easy. So in first topic, Salesforce project in IT company, what we will cover? Project activities, teams and meetings. Project activities, teams and meetings. Swami, remember. Now see, look at me and tell. See, look at into my eyes. What 3 we will cover? Why you are asking? My eyes are not there. Tell, no problem. Try. No problem. Tell. Nothing will happen. Slowly we will improve. No problem. Raja will do proxy to you. Don't worry. He will do job support. I am not getting. First one, project activities. Second one, teams. Third one, meetings. So if you understand this entire thing, what is happening when you go to job, you will get clarity. So madam, what she will do is she will explain Jira. You are going to use Jira tool to work on your projects. So you will create one Jira tool. Madam will explain you. Shivendi will explain you. So she will write user story there. First day, what is your topic? Salesforce project in IT company. So we will. You have to write. Okay, these topics are explained in the first day. So you will get to know how to use Jira. If you keep 3-4 years experience, you will automatically give answer in the company. Confluence tool, how to do documentation. She will tell. She will link both Jira and Confluence. So you are completely working like real-time environment, so that you will not feel like I am directly coming from Amirpet. Okay, that feeling should go out, Varun. Okay, so in the first topic, subtopics are 3. What are those subtopics? Okay, this I remember. Next one is Salesforce Introduction. Second topic. In that Salesforce Introduction, we have 3 subtopics. Salesforce Services, Front-end, Backend, Business Logic Technologies, again Salesforce Technologies. So what services are provided by Salesforce? Then we have in IT industry, we have only 3: Front-end, Backend, and Business Logic. So this business, what is mean by front-end, what is mean by back-end, what is mean by business logic? What we will do that with that 3 technologies? In generally, what technologies are available other than Salesforce? .NET. .NET, what is front-end? Who knows? Varun? That is called as what? In .NET. That concept is called as ASP.NET. Business logic? Business logic is C#. Backend is SQL, Microsoft SQL Server. So like this, every technology, it is like that only. Java is from which company? So what is backend in Java? What is backend technology? Spring Boot. No. If any product, if you Oracle is designing any product, in the backend they use Oracle, right? It is a database backend. Okay, Java, in Java front end, backend, I don't know, because .NET my Baba is teaching. Java nobody is teaching. It is like that only. If you have awareness, so if you think, then only we will get. Otherwise, we will not. Who is our Prime Minister? Who is our first Prime Minister? One more. Full knowledge. I don't know Jawaharlal Nehru till now. Okay. So here, three topics: Salesforce Introduction, Salesforce Services, Front-end, Backend, Business, and Salesforce Technologies. In Salesforce Technologies, we have Front-end, Backend, and Business Logic. So here you will be clarified. Next, what is next topic? In the Salesforce Basics, we have to understand where Salesforce data is going to store. What are the different editions of Salesforce? What are releases? Edition means whenever we release first time a book, edition will be there, version will be there. Edition means maybe basic book. Advanced book is second edition. For basic, there can be version. Basic version 1. Basic version 2. Basic is edition here. Advanced is edition here. In advanced, we can have version 1, version 2. Understood, everybody? Any confusion? I don't think so. I have confusion here. I have a small confusion here. So what is meaning of edition? What is meaning of version? In addition, Swapna Basics book is she has written. What is the version? Version 1 she gave. In which year? 2020. Same Swapna Basics, she wrote another book in 2021. V1 will change or V1 will be like that only? Version will be changed to V2. So here in Salesforce, we call it as releases, not version. This we have to understand clearly, because in interview they will ask what edition you are using. We will say free edition. Immediately directly coming from Amirpet get lost. So unlimited edition we will use. Remember this, online and offline people, unlimited edition. In interview, if they ask suddenly what is your edition, you have to say unlimited edition. Blindly you have to say. They won't ask you to show your edition. They will not ask like that. Next, they will ask what is current release. 3 releases are there for Salesforce. They will suddenly ask what is current release. Means it is a awareness testing, whether you are aware of it or not. When you are working in Salesforce, every release, they give new features. Because of that only Salesforce is growing every day. For every 3 months, they will have new release. They will release with new features will be added. So continuously up to date. Mark Benioff is continuously up to date. Okay. So that is the reason editions and basics, it is very important to remember. So what it is that madam and sir will discuss. I don't know. And storage. Where you are saving your money? Kusuma? Bank. I don't have money in bank. I store in Almara. I have 2 houses. Not families. He's thinking, oh, I don't have that much time. So gold is in one house, money is in other house. I will not tell address to you. Okay. So here also Salesforce is storing data in different regions. They are storing in Americas region. Americas is one region. And EU, Europe is one region. EU, MEA, Europe, Middle East, Africa. Europe, Middle East, Africa. Europe, Middle East, Africa. Americas. Americas is one. Europe, Middle East, Africa is one. Next, Asia Pacific. 3 regions they are storing data. We are in which region? India is in which continent? America? America is in which continent? America is continent or not? How many continents we have? America is a continent. Which continent is in America is in which continent? Europe is continent. Middle East is continent. Africa is continent. I don't know that much history. If I ask question, no, I cannot answer. I don't know it is true or not. That's why I am not going inside. So Americas, Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific. Australia is Asia Pacific or not? Huh? Australia is different continent, but it comes in Asia Pacific. Singapore, Dubai. Dubai is which one? Middle East. How many countries are there in Middle East? 7. Like this you have to remember. History also sometimes it is required. When you studied history, Pujta, 10th class or 9th class? So that much memory power is not required now. I am not asking you that. So here storage, where the data is storing, because you have to get the data. You must know where is that data. You have to know address. Without knowing address of bank, how you will go and withdraw money? Bank is a storage mechanism. Back end. We are front end. In middle, what is there? Road. Understood what is front end, back end, and business logic? Business logic is a road. It is telling how to go. Front end, we are using that money. Back end, bank is storing. In the same way, what is front end technologies in Salesforce? Lightning Web Components. Back end, database.com. Business logic, Apex, SOQL, SOSL. So where is that? In the starting we know, like first slide, what we are going to cover in the development, Apex, SOQL, SOSL, that is a business logic. Lightning Web Component is front end. Database.com is the back end. So if you don't get this clarity, what is the use to learn Salesforce? Everybody will learn, but what is the use? So for first 3 topics, what are the subtopics? Okay. Next. Salesforce Introduction. In Salesforce Basics, what we will learn? See how offline people are too smart. Online people watching WhatsApp status or what? I always have this doubt. That's why I will not allow mobiles for offline. So how it is, Karthik, learning mechanism, good or not? If you learn like this, your preparation is done every day. Okay. Now, for now, what we will do, this is what I want to explain today. And open your laptops. Come, your name? Abhishek. Come, your name? Hmm? I didn't give. Venu. Okay. First class, right? Okay. Yesterday you saw madam, but today no. She went for meeting. Shivendu is not feeling well. Some stomach pain, something, yes. So, open your, did you bring your laptops? Okay. So now what we have to do is, we have to do one activity now. That is not Salesforce activity, that is related to your job. Gmail account we should create now. Gmail account. Varun, you have certifications? So what is your email ID, Gmail ID? Okay, you don't create new mail ID because your email ID is linked to Trailhead. Web Accessor, LinkedIn. So you should not create new email ID because his certifications are linked to that email ID. So everyone should have in Gmail your name plus Salesforce. Online people and offline people, create this email ID. Names plus Salesforce. For example, my name is Madhu. Madhu Salesforce @Gmail ID. Gmail.com. Don't tell password outside. Create. Swami, what is your email ID? Swami? Okay, you have to create email ID with swami.salesforce. What is your first name? Huh? First name? Malgireddy Swami. Middle name? Two names. Malgireddy is your family name. Swami is your name. So swami.salesforce@gmail.com or swami_salesforce@gmail.com. Like that you have to create. It will break Pujita laptop. You have to. So online people, you also create your Gmail ID because this is for lifelong. If you are in Salesforce and your personal email ID give to your friends, don't give this email ID to your friends. They will send upload all pictures and everything. Waste of time. Venu, yesterday how was class? Yeah, tomorrow it will be good. Abhishek, your name. Abhijit. Abhishit. Okay. You are Telugu. Telugu Abhishek will do. Telangana or Andhra Pradesh? Which place? Anakapalli. Password, Wi-Fi password you take from there. Don't enter in mobiles that password. Only for laptops. Tell Swapna Konuganti. SWAPNA KONUGANTI. So create your Gmail IDs. Anything you can use. First to try your name and Salesforce. It will give suggestion. So give nice one. Like 274. Don't give like that. 274 is not good number. It should be in sequence. It should be easy to tell to HR or someone. If somebody asks what is your email ID, they should immediately catch it. Someone kept his name and mobile number. Don't keep your date of birth. When you go to US, they will check your date of birth. You will keep 10 years experience. You should not do that kind of mistakes. Online people you are doing. If it is giving suggestion, you tell me what it is telling. That is good. Like that you have to use. If you get without numbers, you try. Not there. So many Maunikas are there in this world. Swami created. Okay. Try. Sai Shankar, what you got? Email ID. What suggestion you got? Email ID. Creating. What is breakfast today? What? Pulihara? Why Pulihara, man? Good morning, man. Don't mix Pulihara outside. I am not telling that Pulihara. Different Pulihara. Till 3. Oh, okay. All small. Here I typed. Here you check. Kishore. That is the password. Samskara IT. Password. Okay. Devakar, what you got? Kusma, what you got? Good. Pujita? Okay. Kishore, what you got? Okay. Online people, what is your email ID? What you got? Rashi, are you there? What you got? Type your email IDs. I have already created email account and sync with Trailhead. Don't create Venkat. Now don't create new one. If you are already Trailhead synced, you should not create. Siddharth, you have already Trailhead. What is your Gmail? Siddharth Venkat. Trailhead you have with the same email ID. Webex, sir. How many certifications you have? Oh. Any points are there? There. How many? 500. No, you can check now. Na? Go to Trailhead and tell. So here after Gmail, Kishore done. All of you online people, you do it. Lalita, Deepak, Devasis. Appo, I don't know. Priyanka, Rashi, Srinivas, Venkat, no, don't do. Venu, you have to do. So that is the first step we have to do. From day one only, we have to be prepared for job. Once it is done, open LinkedIn. LinkedIn.com or .in. What happened? Kishore done. Email ID created. Gmail. Create. You?
Salesforce Salesforce.
Your name, where is your name? No, Karthik Salesforce, you try.
Salesforce Karthik
639. 639 is bad. Good.
Salesforce Karthik
Bane, good. 369. Yeah, 639. I can remember your email. So like that, try good numbers. Don't give confusing numbers. That number which should be easily identified. Your email ID, what is your email ID? Okay. Very good. Pujita, yours? You got Pujita Salesforce? Nobody is Pujita in Salesforce? Spelling? PH. Good. You got Divakar? Yeah, Dinesh. Divakar. Dinesh, what is your email? Good. Siddharth and Sai Shankar? Got Sai Shankar one? What is your email? Everybody got good email ID. Online people, we are not speaking. I don't know. You also create. Then go to LinkedIn. Varun, you have what, Swami? 2, 3. Okay. You create like that. Then go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn.com. After going to LinkedIn.com, sign up. Yes, Srinivas, what is your email ID? Can you online people type your email IDs in chat? Online people type your email IDs in chat. You type like this in notepad. Sign up, you clicked. Sign up, you done. Done. If you are done, LinkedIn, signed up. LinkedIn, any experience is there? How many connections are there? How many connections are there? 20, that's okay. You can leave it. No, now if anybody, you have Salesforce connections? Then don't. 20 connections we can ignore. Okay, say sign up and enter details. You enter your first name and last name while registering. Doing? What happened? Srinivasu, Salesforce.com, Rashi Yadav. Rashi, you have any LinkedIn account? Because you have to create one with Madhu SFDC. Okay.
I have my LinkedIn account, but it has more than 1,000 connections.
So how many connections are there, Rashi?
More than 1,000.
1,000. You don't create another account now. Okay.
All right. Ji.
If you have more connections, no, don't use another account. Don't create another account. AI will
Yes.
check internally. It will check our first names, our phone numbers, email IDs. It will find out us.
Sure.
So create a LinkedIn account now. If you have your LinkedIn account, take this content. I am typing here in chat. Where you have to copy this is here your profile is there, na? In this profile, here it should come. To edit this, click this. You create account. Online people, I am telling. First create account. Why it is net is slow? So here, first name, last name. Headline you have to give. Headline you have to give. I typed here for in chart, and other offline people copy this. This one, selected one. Salesforce consultant, administrator, flows, Apex, SOQL, SOSL, Lightning Web Components, LWC, integration, REST, SOAP, web services, Trailhead. Done the LinkedIn account. You type this. You have to keep that in headline. In headline, you have to add. After adding, save. LinkedIn is very, very important. You have to do some activity in LinkedIn. Every day you have to do. How you can do is, now we know 16 topics are there in Salesforce administration. You have to give like Salesforce administration. Important topics. So Salesforce administration is there. In the down, you can write Swapna Salesforce, then hash Salesforce developer, Salesforce certifications, Salesforce so you give like this and post. So what will happen? You are already tagged Swapna madam, so that you will be appeared automatically. I am typing in your chat for online people. So offline people, after completing this session, first you do this task today. Okay, understood? Everybody done with LinkedIn? Everybody has madam connection? So online people, you post like this. Offline people, after ending the session, we will do this. Every day you should post. Even Sunday also you have to post. So in 3 months time, 90 posts you will have. Sometimes one topic will have multiple. So you are learning and posting. Don't copy. Keep this in mind. You should know about the topic and post. So you are writing by yourself. All topics you will write. So your presentation skills will be improved. You can easily convince them others. You can post 3-4 topics. Maybe in 1.5 hour time, we will cover 3-4 topics. After practicing those topics, after entering, we will give interview questions to you. So those interview questions you can answer yourself and you can post that as well. So daily 3-4 posts also you can do with these tags. So they will Salesforce companies, those who wants to recruit you, they will go to your profile and they will see, okay, these people are good. They are dedicated. They are continuously working on Salesforce. Even without experience as well, they can take as fresher. No headaches. So like this, you have to follow. These are the simple techniques